Our Mike Avery joins us with the latest on the suspension of school loan payments. Good morning.
Well, good morning to the both of you. Yeah, it's part of that recent stimulus package released by our government. Initially, now this was a 60-day loan suspension, but additional legislation moved to 6 months.
It's a financial burden for a lot of people who have needed the assistance of federal school loans to pay for college. Like a rite of passage, upon leaving their school of choice with or without a degree, the money they borrowed must be repaid. So you can imagine their surprise during the Stay Home, Stay Safe executive order that their loan payments have been put on hold.
What it means for those with loans is that there are no payments required and there's no interest accruing on any of the federal student loans for the next several months.
6 months to be exact, and there's several options for borrowers, one of which is to continue to make their monthly payments if they can.
You know, you would encourage them to do so, especially because if they can continue to make payments, it goes all towards the principal balance of that loan. And obviously there's no interest to be paid. So everything, you know, it will really shorten the payoff time if they can continue to pay if they're not experiencing a hardship.
Obviously, it's a personal decision on what to do with the money that would typically be designated for your school loans. But you will not be penalized for not paying during the suspension as long as you have a federally held school loan.
It's once again just important to make sure you know what loans you've taken out, that you make sure you know what, you know, who your student loan servicer is, and the differentiation between a private loan and a federal student loan, because the private student loan companies can do what they've chosen to do during this time.
So that suspension will run through September 30th, and it's retroactive to March 13th. So what that means is if you've actually made a school payment since March 13th until now, you can actually request your loan servicer for a refund, guys.